Hey there, fellow digital explorers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common challenge, sharing large files with ease. Lucky for you, we've got the scoop on how to do that just using everyone's favorite cloud storage solution, Google Drive. So buckle up because we're about to make sharing big files a breeze. Now for step 1, you need to open your browser. First things first, open up your favorite browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, you're good to go. Now I already have my Google Chrome open and I'm at the Google Drive page. And for step 2, we need to log into your account. Next, make sure you're logged into your Google account if you're not already. Just click that sign in button in the upper right corner and enter your credentials. Now we can sign in at the upper right corner. Click our account. Type in our password, and then we're in. Now for step 3 is to upload with the new plus sign. Alright, here comes the fun part. Click on the shiny new plus sign and select file upload. Find the large file you want to share in your computer and let Google Drive work its magic. Now you have the new plus sign here. We can click the file upload and we can upload, for example, here a high quality image or a banner art. Now once it's done uploading, you can find the check mark right here and you just click the show file location. And we can now proceed to step 4, which is to share your file. Now once your file is uploaded, it's time to share the love. Right click on your freshly uploaded file, hover over share and select email. Now we have share here, then click share. And we can use it to send to an email. Now I have an email right here. And for step 5, we need to write your message and hit send. So here's where you make it personal. Write a message to your recipient. Let them know that what the file is all about. When you're ready, hit that send button and off goes your email with a link to the shared file. Now I can put a message here. Here is the banner art that you have requested. Then we can hit send. And just like that, you've conquered the art of sharing large files on Google Drive. Remember, this method makes collaboration and file sharing a walk in the park. Even the files are hefty. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips and let us know in the comments below what other tech challenges you'd like us to tackle next. Until then, happy sharing and stay tuned for more digital adventures.